This beautiful hideaway of 4.41 wooded acres is on the Mountain Fork River. There is already a road to the property and electricity. Located about 3 hours from Dallas, Texas, and about 20 minutes from Hochatown, Oklahoma. The property is suitable for a weekend getaway or a primary retreat where you can live on vacation every day. Many activities are available in the area. River sports like canoeing, rafting, fishing, or swimming. Outdoor activities such as hiking, four-wheeling, or hunting. Broken Bow Lake and Beaver's Bend State Park is about 20 minutes from the property. You have the opportunity to enjoy all the water sports on the lake, attend festivals at the park, or any of the many shopping, dining, and entertainment venues at Hochatown. Don't miss this unique opportunity. Call now.